Today I am reviewing the ZZA 32-inch curved monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ZZA 32-inch curved monitor is a surprisingly strong option for gamers and multitaskers who want a large immersive display without spending premium flagship money. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is the size and curvature. The 32-inch screen combined with the aggressive 1500R curve creates a much more engaging experience compared to a standard flat monitor. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or simply browsing the web, the curved design pulls you into the action and makes the entire display feel more natural to your eyes. For racing games, shooters, and open-world titles especially, the immersion factor is excellent. One of the biggest highlights of this monitor is its 1440p QHD resolution. On a 32-inch display, 2560 by 1440 hits a sweet spot between sharpness and performance. Everything looks noticeably clearer than standard 1080p monitors, from text and menus to detailed environments in modern games. If you play competitive titles like FPS games or Battle Royale games, the extra screen space and clarity can genuinely improve visibility and awareness. At the same time, single-player games benefit from the improved detail and richer visuals. The VA panel also delivers deeper blacks and stronger contrast compared to many IPS gaming monitors in the same price range, which makes dark scenes look more cinematic and atmospheric. Gaming performance is where this monitor really starts to shine. The 165Hz refresh rate provides extremely smooth motion during gameplay. Fast camera movements, tracking enemies, and quick reactions all feel fluid and responsive. Once you experience gaming above 60 Hz, it becomes difficult to go back, and this display takes that smoothness even further. Combined with the 1 millisecond response time, motion blur is kept under control, helping competitive players react faster and maintain visual clarity during intense moments. Whether you're playing esports titles, racing games, or fast-paced action games, the monitor keeps up very well. Another major advantage is the inclusion of both FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility. This helps eliminate screen tearing and stuttering by synchronizing the monitor refresh rate with your graphics card. The result is smoother gameplay with fewer distractions and more consistent motion. This feature is especially useful if your frame rate fluctuates during demanding games. It creates a noticeably cleaner and more enjoyable gaming experience overall. Color performance on this monitor is also impressive for the category. The wide color gamut support and HDR10 compatibility help produce vibrant and punchy visuals. Games look more alive, movies appear richer, and everyday content simply feels more dynamic. The monitor covers a wide percentage of the sRGB color space, which means colors appear vivid without looking overly artificial. The brightness and contrast combination also helps scenes pop nicely, especially in darker games where VA panels tend to perform better than IPS alternatives. While this may not be a professional-grade color accuracy monitor for advanced creators, it still performs very well for casual content creation, photo editing, and streaming. The frameless three-sided design gives the monitor a modern and premium appearance. It also makes multi-monitor setups look cleaner and more seamless. The stand offers tilt adjustment, allowing users to find a comfortable viewing angle, and Visa mount compatibility is a big plus for anyone wanting to use a monitor arm or wall mount. Having multiple connectivity options including HDMI and DisplayPort also ensures compatibility with gaming PCs, laptops, and modern consoles. One feature that deserves recognition is the eye care mode. Long gaming or work sessions can become exhausting on the eyes, especially late at night. The low blue light technology helps reduce strain, making the monitor more comfortable during extended use. The joystick-based OSD control system is another thoughtful addition because navigating monitor menus becomes much faster and easier compared to traditional button layouts. Of course, no monitor is perfect, and there are a couple of things buyers should know. Since this is a VA panel, there can occasionally be minor ghosting in extremely fast scenes compared to higher-end IPS esports monitors. However, for most gamers, the trade-off is worth it because the deeper contrast and immersive image quality are excellent. Also, the monitor does not include built-in speakers, so external speakers or headphones will be necessary. For serious gamers, though, this usually is not a major downside since dedicated audio setups are almost always better. Overall, the ZZA 32-inch curved monitor delivers a very balanced package for gaming, entertainment, and productivity. It combines a large immersive curved display, smooth 165Hz gameplay, sharp 1440p resolution, strong contrast, vibrant colors, and adaptive sync technologies into a monitor that feels far more premium than many people would expect at this level. If you're looking for a monitor that can handle competitive gaming while also providing an enjoyable cinematic experience for movies and everyday use, this is definitely a display worth considering.